All right, y'all. A lot of people be gatekeeping stuff. I don't know. I made my whole internet career, as I'm going to call it, off of just giving people information. But some people like to gatekeep information for some reason, but that's not me. So, if you guys got a pool, this is something I didn't know, and I wish somebody would have told me. Now, these chemicals go off in this thing is pretty expensive, and you use a lot of it. So when I'm saying chemicals, I'm talking about like this is chlorine tabs, and this right here is like a shock. You know, you gotta shock your pool every once in a while. This is liquid chlorine. You know, you got flock to try to get rid of some of the algae guard, Clear Max, all this other stuff. This is a clarifier, trying to keep this damn thing from being green. You got some chlorine stabilizer, got some alkalinity increaser. But anyway, so all those chemicals I've been using. Now this product I'm about to show you, man, this Pool RX. This right here is cold-blooded. It has reduced my need for any type of chemicals so often. It reduced the chemical use by at least half, in my opinion. See, the chlorine tabs go off in here, and it's times that I have forgotten to add it in here, then my pool turns green. So when you go and get this Pool RX, you put it inside your little, I guess your little sight glass here, off inside the pump. You can put it off inside of here, or you could just drop that bad boy off into your skimmer, which I need to clean that out. And man, I don't know what type of process it does. It has something to do with copper, and I don't know. But whatever it does, it be doing it. Been having my pool clear all season long, and that's with forgetting to put in the chlorine tabs. I've been having no chlorine in this thing. I come out and I check it. I'll be 0 chlorine, but the pool is still clear. So I'm trying to stay up on this stuff. I'm going to keep chlorine in here because clear water doesn't necessarily mean sanitized water. So stay up on your chlorine stuff. You need to do that. But this right here will damn sure keep your pool clear. I'm going to guarantee that. And somebody been knowing this, and I'm just now finding it out. Somebody with a pool probably just holding all this information to themselves, which is crazy. So I'm gonna put this in my Amazon store. If you're on TikTok, jump up there. I'll put a link on my other social media sites where you can pick up this stuff. But this is an awesome product.